Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Determine whether the issue is your internal wiring or the provider. First, unplug and power cycle the modem and cordless base, then remove all extension cords and filters. Next, connect a known good corded phone to the primary jack to check for dial tone. This separates device faults from line faults. While doing this, note static, clicks, or noise. These symptoms tell you whether the fault is noisy wiring, bad equipment, or an external line problem. Once done with basic checks, focus on wiring and the demarcation point. You swap phones and cords to eliminate device problems. If the tone appears only at the provider jack, the issue is inside your wiring. Open any accessible jacks and visually inspect connections for corrosion or loose wires, then reset terminals. Use a multimeter or line tester to confirm around 4852 VDC on an idle line. Low or fluctuating voltage indicate. To finish, fix any internal wiring problems. Tighten terminals, cut out and replace frayed cable runs, and swap in a new jack if contacts are bad. Once internal repairs are done, retest at the demarcation. If issues persist, escalate to your provider. Give them your test results, voltages, and when problems occur so they can target the external line. If the call center stalls, insist on a dispatch and use your symptom log. Technicians move faster with clear, reproducible evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.